At any instant of time t, the displacement of any particle is given by 2t minus 1 in SI unit under the influence of force of 5 Newton. The value of instantaneous power is. So here the displacement x is given by 2t minus 1 in meter. So this is 2t minus 1. So the velocity v at any time is dx dt, or dx dt is 2. So 2 meter per second. This is the velocity. And the force F is 5 Newton. So we are assuming that the force and the velocity are in the same direction, that is the particle moves on the influence of the force. So the power P is equal to F dot V, or F times V. So F is 5 and V is 2, that is 5 into 10, that is 10 watt. So the power is 10, that is option 4.